Thursday night. A few strong and severe storms are possible, along with locally heavy rainfall, especially along and east of the Kansas City was 70, cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 49. Once again at noon, 76 and cloudy. The report from Kingman was not available. Here is some climate information from Wellington. The high was 89 with a low of 64. At Kingman, the high was 89 with a low of 61. No precipitation was reported. The current time is 1:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watching warnings and advisories in effect. For additional information, please go to www.weather.gov. Wind advisory has been extended until 1 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties: Harper, Kingman, and Reno. Wind advisory has been extended until 7 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties: Butler, Chase, Cowley, Harvey, Marion, Sedgwick, and Sumner. It did not feel like